crisis is looming in space, why it's crucial for Congress and NASA to stop China's space ambitions. Washington, D.C. U.S. Senator Ted Cruz, representative from the Senate Committee on Commerce, Science, and Transportation, is set to hold a comprehensive committee hearing titled, "There's a Bad Moon on the Rise, Why Congress and NASA Must Thwart China in the Space Race," on Wednesday, September 3, 2025, at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. This pivotal meeting will focus on legislative priorities related to the upcoming reauthorization of NASA, aiming to guarantee that the United States maintains its forefront position in space exploration and technology. The hearing will delve into the critical strategic, economic, and scientific benefits of American leadership in key areas such as low Earth orbit, LEO, lunar missions, the exploration of Mars, and ventures into deep space. The session will scrutinize how U.S. policy decisions and financial investments can strengthen America's competitive advantage amidst rising pressures from adversarial nations, particularly China, whose rapid progress in space technology represents a serious challenge to U.S. dominance. Senator Cruz emphasized the significance of this hearing in a statement announcing the event. For many decades, NASA has propelled the United States to the forefront of global space exploration, fostering groundbreaking scientific research and technological advancements. But let's be clear, we are now engaged in a modern space race unlike any before. Communist China is disregarding the traditional rules and norms of this competition, channeling vast resources with the express goal of dominating space. This hearing offers a critical opportunity to establish policies that will reinforce America's leadership in space exploration, invigorate NASA, expand the burgeoning commercial space industry, and safeguard our national security and economic interests in what we often call the final frontier. The hearing will feature testimony from several distinguished experts, including Mr. Alan Cutler, President and CEO of the Coalition for Deep Space Exploration, an organization advocating for sustained human and robotic space exploration beyond Earth's orbit; Mr. Michael Gold, President of Civil and International Space at Redwire, a company specializing in advanced space infrastructure and technology; the Honorable Jim Bridenstine, Managing Partner at the Artemis Group and former NASA Administrator, bringing direct experience from leading the agency; Lieutenant General John Shaw, former Deputy Commander of the U.S. Space Command, offering military and strategic insights on space security. Details for the hearing are as follows. What? Senate Committee full hearing titled, "There's a Bad Moon on the Rise, Why Congress and NASA Must Thwart China in the Space Race." Date: Wednesday, September 3, 2025. Time: note the time change, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Location: Committee Hearing Room, Russell Senate Office Building, Room 253. Live stream: the hearing will be broadcast live on the committee's official website as well as YouTube for public viewing. Media inquiries: journalists wishing to attend must coordinate with their respective Senate media galleries to secure RSVPs. Media contact information is as follows. Senate Daily Press Gallery, 202-224-0241, or Senate Press Gallery at saa.senate.gov. Senate Periodical Press Gallery, 202-224-0265, or periodicals at saa.senate.gov. Senate Photographers Gallery, 202-224-6548, or press photo at saa.senate.gov. Senate Radio TV Gallery, 202-224-6421. This hearing raises vital questions. In the face of China's aggressive space strategy, do America's current policies and investments suffice to maintain its scientific and strategic lead? Could a more assertive approach spark geopolitical tensions in space, or is it a necessary stance to protect U.S. interests? How should the private sector and government best work together to ensure the nation's space dominance? This discussion is bound to generate diverse opinions about America's role in the next chapter of space exploration. What do you think? Should the U.S. amplify its space efforts despite the risks, or pursue a different path? Share your views in the comments below.